Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to move icons on desktop Windows 11. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do to move icons on desktop on your Windows 11 is go ahead and right click on empty space. Once you right click on an empty space on your Windows 11, click on view. Now once you click on view, you want to uncheck auto arrange icons. You can see uncheck this. Now once auto arrange icon is unchecked, then go ahead, locate the icon you want to move from one place to the other like this, then drag it. You'll be able to drag your icon from one place to the other. So just go ahead and then go ahead and drag your desktop icon on your Windows 11 to your preferred location. You see that? Now you'll be able to drag the icon or rearrange the icon by drag and drop on the screen. Now to get this back together, like you want to auto rearrange the desktop icons, all you simply need to do is repeat the same process. Right click on an empty space on your desktop, click on view, then come to see auto arrange icons. Then you should have the icon rearranged like this, and if you want to align the grid, come here and select align icons to grid. Then the icons will aligned and form a grid, and then that is it. So that's exactly how to move icons on desktop Windows 11. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.